Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an amazing product that is truly a game changer for your beauty routine. If you've ever struggled with your eyebrows, this might just be the solution you've been waiting for. We're talking about the Exquisite Eyebrow Kit, an 8-in-1 eyebrow grooming kit that promises to elevate your brow game to a whole new level. This eyebrow kit has been gaining a lot of attention, and for good reason. It includes everything you need for perfectly shaped brows, all neatly packed in a plush, padded case. Inside, you'll find 4 expertly designed tweezers, slanted, pointed, flat, and flat slanted, each tailored to help you tackle those stubborn stray hairs with ease. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these tweezers offer precision and control, ensuring that every pluck gets you closer to your brow goals. But that's just the beginning. The kit also features a razor designed for effortless brow shaping. With its ergonomic grip and ultra-sharp edge, it allows you to create clean lines and define your brows flawlessly. Whether you're looking to tidy up your shape or try something bold, this razor is a must-have tool in your arsenal. Next up, we have precision scissors that make trimming easy and efficient. The meticulously crafted pointed edge ensures that every snip is intentional, allowing you to achieve stunning arches. And if you're someone who likes to blend in color for a more natural look, the included eyebrow pencil helps you define and fill in your brows perfectly. Of course, no grooming kit is complete without a good brush. The brush and comb included in this set will help you tame unruly hairs and blend any product seamlessly, delivering that polished finish we all crave. What's really impressive about this eyebrow kit is the quality of the tools. Each item is crafted from surgical-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. This means you can expect these tools to maintain their performance over time, making them a wise investment for your beauty routine. The luxurious feel of the padded case not only keeps your tools organized and protected but also adds an element of sophistication to your daily grooming ritual. It's perfect for on-the-go touch-ups or simply keeping your beauty essentials neatly stored at home. At just $9.99, the Exquisite Eyebrow Kit is a fantastic value for anyone looking to elevate their eyebrow grooming game. It's packed with high-quality tools that cater to every aspect of eyebrow care, making it an essential addition to your beauty collection. If you're ready to achieve picture-perfect brows with ease, this kit is the perfect choice for you. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to grab yours today. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. Until next time, keep looking your best.